Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience with the service. Taxfyle.com offers a convenient and efficient way to manage your taxes. This online platform connects users with licensed CPAs and enrolled agents who can handle a variety of tax-related tasks. Whether you're an individual needing assistance with a simple return or a business owner navigating complex tax laws, Taxfyle aims to provide tailored support. The process is designed to be user-friendly, allowing you to upload your tax documents securely and communicate directly with your assigned tax professional. One of the key benefits of using Taxfyle is the transparent pricing structure. You'll receive a clear quote upfront before any work begins, so you know exactly what to expect. Furthermore, the platform offers flexibility, enabling you to choose a tax professional that best suits your needs and budget. With Taxfyle, you can streamline the often daunting task of tax preparation and filing, saving you time and potentially money. They offer assistance with federal, state, and local taxes, covering a wide range of tax situations. Users appreciate the convenience of having access to professional tax help from the comfort of their own homes, eliminating the need for in-person appointments or complicated paperwork. For those seeking a modern and efficient approach to tax management, Taxfyle provides a valuable resource. Consider exploring Taxfyle.com to see how it can simplify your tax season and give you peace of mind. They also offer resources and tools on their website to help you understand the tax process better. Whether you're a freelancer, small business owner, or just an individual looking for expert tax assistance, Taxfyle could be a solution worth exploring. Their platform emphasizes security and confidentiality, ensuring your sensitive financial information is protected. Take advantage of the streamlined process and connect with qualified tax professionals today. By leveraging technology and a network of experienced professionals, Taxfyle aims to make tax season less stressful and more manageable for everyone.